Oh! Oh, I got it. Oh, you got it back. Uh-oh, we dropped it. Can we get it? Ooh, look at those neat rocks right there,
Well, like
dude.
sewage around here. Well, there is a problem out here. We got to get it dug up.
See? Oh, it's Mommy's clock. Yeah.
Causes problems.
Mommy's clock.
I mean, we've had some. We probably had 20 inches of rain.
Clock.
It drains so good because you see how.
Mommy sees another tooth you're getting. He's getting his bottom tooth. Over here.
The creek was running the other day.
Number 7?
Like 4
inches.
Number 7?
Mommy sees that tooth. Are you standing on that piece of wood?
Whoop.
Oh.
Boom, boom.
You okay?
Oh, there goes the gate, Jude. Can you get it?
You gotta go get it.
Go get the gate, Jude.
Can you get up in those boots?
Oh, yeah. He can,
There's a boy.
that boy can go anywhere. There you go. Okay.
That gate
Close
is
that
supposed to be closed.
Close that gate.
Is it stuck on something?
Give him a push.
There you go.
Okay.
Close real hard.
Okay.
One. Look out, look out. Oh!
Boom!
He's such a boy. Close the gate again. You're gonna
He
stand?
wants to stand on that thing.
Yeah. Go ahead. Mama, hold the gate for you. Go ahead and stand on it. Go ahead.
Okay, climb up the fence.
There you go. There, put that foot. Yeah.
There you go.
Woo!
You want to ride on the
There's a
fence?
man. Ooh. Ooh.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Okay. Yeah, you got it.
He puts a lot of effort in. He does. He's squinting and making all kind of noises. Get that foot up there. He's not going to quit till he does.
Almost. Mama, help you. Ready? Go. There you
Yay! Mr. Jude. Yay! More. More, Jude.
You want to ride on the fence? Can you put your feet right here? Put your feet right here, please. Yep, there you go. Put your foot.
There's one.